Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Friday to you, man. Made it another week. Y'all know what it is, what it do. It's the last day of the week, and it's looking good. Looking good. I just sold my position in United Group, ticker UNIT. They just hit a new 52-week high, like $6.23. I got out of it. I only had about $177 or something worth of it. I got out because I could put that money in another REIT, like AGNC. I need to come on down. United Group pays a dividend yield of 10.26%. Excuse me. They only got a market cap of like 1.4 billion. I think that's kind of high for that market cap. Always run. They done made previous dividend cuts. It went from 30 cent quarterly to 15 cent quarterly. I mean, they might can maintain that dividend. I'm gonna put it in AGNC. Reason being, they got a market cap of over $4 billion with a dividend yield about 16%, and they pay 12 cent a month 12 cent monthly compared to 15 cent with 15 cent with United Group quarterly. And then I need to come down in RYLD and QYLD. RYLD pays monthly dividend yield like 12.6, and QYLD pays monthly with a dividend yield about 11.5. So I can put those there and still get a monthly dividend with a higher yield. And I need to come down in those stocks anyway. So just putting that up front of y'all. All right, account at $43,386.93. Bitcoin at 61,440, which is good. It's maintaining. You don't want it to fall under. I'll put a sell limit. I'm selling my whole position in Bitcoin I put a sell limit in at 64,000. I'm taking my money and running. I don't have a lot of it anyway. Even if, as you can see, with the position I have, average cost $19,714. My total return right now is $211.50. Even if I let this double, this is how I stat things. Bitcoin is at 61,400. Even if this go to the 120, which meaning what I have right now double, I won't have but $422. I mean, what's the chances of it going to 120 bucks? 120,000. Yeah, it can. I'm not knocking it. I'm not knocking Bitcoin hustle now. But how long is it gonna take to make it there? And how much risk I got to take to get those $422? And I can escape with I think when I put my sell in, sell all, it's like 324 at 664,000. I can take that and run. And I'm cool with that because I can invest that into a monthly paying dividend, something like by some TSLY that's them been paying out like 40 cent a share a quarter. 40 cent a share a month. Just let that just reinvest those dividends, and I can buy some. If I want something with growth, I can invest that in Tesla, or invest that in like Walmart or VTI or VOO. So that's just what I am doing, because we both know that any cryptocurrency you invest in is volatile. So measure your own risk. All right, let's get into the trade. Stocks and ETFs. What's undervalued and getting beat up today? Alright, I know the banks, I'm good. Realty O down another 1.14%. Gotta get some of that. I just want y'all to know. All these REITs, including Realty O, when they start making these interest rate cuts, this stock gonna shoot up. This has always been about a $70-$75 share stock. Right now, 52 highs at 65 bucks because the REIT section has been getting its butt whipped since probably 2021. Or maybe 2022. So I'm dollar cost averaging down in this, and in Realty O. I have also this morning I did have a buy order in for PSEC for Prospect Capital. I had it in at 5 shares at $5.50. It did trigger, so I'm accumulating some more shares here. I sold the United Group, so I could put this money here, so I could dollar cost average back down in here. They paid 6 cents a share monthly. It might have some more room to come on down. The whole market might have room to come down, especially if they don't get this the money they owe the government. What's called a government shutdown thing going on to keep kicking the can down the road, and they don't put it off for another week or two or whatever it is. Or you got certain people that would take their money out of the market for that reason. And why I say you want to be trading, but you want to have you some cash on the side, man. So when these markets tank and dip, 3M, also buying whole stock. I like 3M at $92 and under. Pays about a little over 6% dividend yield, and it's safe, and it does dividend hikes. Let Duke Energy pull back some more. OPI's getting whooped. I'm hoping this here turn around soon. That's why I got out of United Group, because I know I need to put this money in some other places. Like I said, I'm too overweight in REITs. I got a lot of REITs, man. It's another one I need to come on down there. Hawaiian Electric. This was like a $35, $40 stock, and this tank down when they had the lawsuit going on, the little fire they had in Hawaii. Dominion Energy down 6.27. Get $5 worth for this. Need to come down to this. Dominion Energy is a utility company. People gotta pay their power bills, or your power lights will get, your utilities will get cut off. TCPC, BlackRock, get some of that. TSLX should be another REIT. No, this a lending company. Financials. I am up 1.8 billion, 8.43 yield. That's kind of sustainable there. But if y'all want to ride out with United Group, I mean, you welcome to do it. Like I say, it's not a bad group. I know it made some dividend cuts. I be looking at the dividend yield versus the market cap. Oh yeah, Nike down. I need to come down to Nike. Make sure I buy some of this in my Cash App portfolio too. I like to buy Nike under $103. I was buying $5 a day, but I stopped because I ain't like buying that at $107. I'm buying Nike at 103 and under. 3M at I'm buying 3M at I need some MetaFast. I need to come down to this. It's not red today, but I need it. Nike under 103 is my target. 3M under 103, preferably 102. I mean 92. I'm sorry. Carver State Bank is a swing trade for me. Let me see. I like to buy it at 160 to 150, 163. I pick up 5 shares and sell it when it hit 20. 202 or better, 1.63. Just a whole example of swing trade. When it pull on back, just buy a couple shares. Add on to it. Alright. Northwestern Bank. This was like it was down 11.30. I'll let that pull back some more. That's too close to 11.48. Vici pulling back, 1.8%. Oh, I'm still up in that, so not touching that. PFFD, these ETFs, I need to add some, but they never pulled back enough for me to buy. ABR down, but I know it's not in my buy range. Well, 12.82, yeah, it is. I can pick up some of that. If this goes down to 12 bucks, I think I'm going to put in the money, man. I'm going to buy me 100 shares. I'm going to go and deposit me $1,200 for about $1,500. I'm going to buy me 1,000 shares. 100 shares of that. Nice dividend yield and set up for a future swing trade when it goes back up around that $16 range. KNOP, now I need to come down in this. There's too much stuff in the world. The economy slow, so the dry shipping and the marine shipping area is going to be kind of slow. HNNA is another one I like buying. 676, 633 is the low. I pick up a share. 6.76. You know what? I'm going to spend that money somewhere else. I can catch that whenever it's really down. I can get it around about 650 or below. I'm going to go look at the chart and see what it's been doing in the last 30 days. OCSL. Oaktree Special Lending. I'm still up in that. First Long Island Bank. 1099. 879, 52-week low. Bank stock. I know this gonna come up later on, especially when they do the interest rate cuts. APLY, that's under 18 bucks. Yep, sure is. Let me add some of that. $5 worth of that. Ain't gotta load up on nothing, just dollar cost averaging. IAT is the bank ETF I like. I'm at like $32, so no need to bother that. What else down? Jets, Hercules Capital. I don't think that's down enough in buy range. That's shooting up. I should have loaded up on that, and that was down. I did buy some QQQY. It did really reach a new 52-week low of 16.56. I brought one share at 16.98 or 16.89 after 52-week low before that. This pays a good high monthly dividend. I'm gonna put another buy limit in for 16.56. Pick up me another share. Increasing my my dividend yield for my monthly payouts. Bunk all this trying to be rich and trying to be a millionaire. As long as I ain't got financial freedom, I'm straight. I do what I want whenever I want. The kids straight, I'm straight, and we gonna roll. Add on some of this Walmart here. I surely am. This is a long-term hold. I want to work myself up to 100 shares. If it pulled back, I might put me 6 grand in, just get me 100 shares quick. But I could just dollar cost average in it too, because it is at its 52-week high. 52-week high is like $661. So remember that it does have room to pull on back if it wanted to. Remember, they did do a stock split and all, but that don't change the value. As I'm gonna show you, Walmart, as you can see, when it went on that run, 52-week high, now it's 60.45. It's at 58, so it does have room to pull on back. So y'all buy y'all fractional shares. And it's a long-term hold. You might hold it long enough, it shoots up around the 175 mark again, might do another stock split and give you 3-on-1. That's why I want 100 shares to turn my 100 into 300. All right, y'all, that's all I'm doing for today. I thought about adding Uber onto this, but I'm gonna keep Uber in my Cash App portfolio. Let me check my real quick charge point. See where they at today. $2.13. I'm at $2.18. I add charge point. Try to get them like $1.96 and under. I add a couple shares. But I ain't gonna make this video long. GGYM. Go get your money. Y'all watch my recent videos. Gotta get ready to go out and Uber this weekend. I gotta cash up, baby. Holla later.